Let's dive right into this explainer. We're breaking down how Google's AI is totally transforming digital marketing.
If you're brand new to digital marketing, you're probably wondering, how does AI actually change ads?
Well, think about it. It's moving from typing just one keyword to having full-blown, detailed conversations with AI.
To keep up, Google created two totally new ad formats for their AI mode, powered by Gemini.
First up are conversational discovery ads. These are specifically built to handle your deep, exploratory questions.
Like, imagine typing something super specific. Make my home smell like a rainy forest.
Instead of just grabbing the word forest, Gemini actually understands your vibe and builds a custom ad.
You'll see a clear sponsored label, plus a helpful little AI explainer right next to the product.
All right, the second big format Google is rolling out is called highlighted answers. Picture this, you're chatting with AI, trying to find a good language app for your next vacation. Now, ads jump right out of the sidebar, landing straight into your personalized AI recommendation list.
The main takeaway? Advertisers literally get their products in front of you way earlier in your research.
So, why is this such a game changer if you're trying to market something online?
Basically, simple keywords aren't enough anymore. You've got to focus on high-quality, creative, and structured product data. Because remember, Gemini isn't just looking at a single word, it's evaluating the whole conversation context.
Of course, this wild shift brings up some major new headaches for measuring and reporting ad success.
Since these chats are totally unstructured, figuring out exactly which prompt actually drove a sale is tough.
Right now, Google is just testing these formats in AI mode, so no official launch date yet.
But here's the real question. As we chat more with AI, how will this completely change how you shop?